bold choice to apply. You went through the whole horrendous application and interview process, and you finally secured that internship or that job offer. First of all, I would like to say congratulations, and you should be very proud of yourself because I am very proud of you. And so in this video, I'm going to be covering tips of what you can do to ensure that your internship experience is a successful and that you get to grow and develop from your internship experience. I know that it can get overwhelming, and I would like to say that it is very okay to feel overwhelmed, especially if this is your first internship or if this is your first real job experience. So it is okay to go through the whole process, and I would like to say that I'm here to guide you, and I'm going to be giving you tips that hopefully are going to set you up for success once you start that internship or once you start taking that job. So stick around. So number one, I would like to say that you should be able to take the time to ensure that you learn about your company's organization, learn about your team structure, ensure that you learn about your role and that you get to understand your responsibilities well enough. This is very important because once you're able to learn all this, you're going to be able to know who to go to for help when you need it, and this is very helpful and will save you a lot of time. In addition, most companies out here have a lot of teams that deal with different things, and trust me, even if you will be working in one team, you're going to find yourself needing help from someone in another team. And the fact that you will have spent time to understand about your company's organization, understanding about the different teams that there are, understanding about what different teams do, and basically understanding about what you yourself do and what your role is, you're going to find it very easy working because you're going to be able to know who to go to for help when you need it. So before everything else, ensure that you take the time to understand these core things, because these are what are going to be able to set you up for success during the entire period of your internship or during the entire period that you will be working. So secondly, take the time to meet with your manager or your mentor. So most companies would definitely give you a manager or a mentor or someone who is going to be working with you and guiding you. I would advise that you take the time to meet with them and talk to them. Tell them about your goals. What are your objectives? What do you hope to achieve? Let them know, because these are the people that are going to be in touch with you, and these are the people that are going to be your point of contact throughout the entire internship experience. So telling them beforehand your goals and basically what you hope to achieve is going to be very helpful, because going forward they're going to be able to know what you want, or basically they're going to be able to know what they can do best to guide you and what they can do best to help you achieve what you want. So ensure that you make great use of your mentors, of your managers. Let them know what you hope to achieve. Let them know when you need something. Let them know when you are stuck. Just be able to communicate effectively with them, and trust me, building that great relationship between you and your mentor, between you and your manager, is something that you are going to have to cherish, because throughout the entire internship or throughout the entire period that you'll be working, these two are going to be the key people that are going to be with you, and these two are going to be the key people that are going to champion for you, and these are going to be the people that are going to be there for you when you are stuck or when you need something. So it is very important to take that time to meet with them, take that time to talk to them, and take that time to communicate, and just take that time to get to know them. Number 3, so this is something similar to what I just talked about. Other than meeting your mentor or other than meeting your manager, ensure that you take the time to have one-on-ones with your teammates and just get to know them, get to talk to them, because these are the people that you are going to be working with, and these are the people that you're going to be spending a huge amount of your day with. So take that time to know them, take that time to just have a conversation with them, get to know what they like, get to know their best practices, what makes them grumpy, what makes them happy. So by doing that, you're going to be establishing a relationship with your teammates, and this is very, very helpful, especially when it comes to collaborating and especially when it comes to working together. So take that time to actually talk to your teammates, have one-on-ones with your teammates. I would advise that the first week of work, take that time to schedule one-on-ones with them and get to know them better, because going forward, it is that relationship that you have with your teammates and that you have with your workmates that is going to really set you up for success. And so the final and most important tip that I would like to talk about is that it is very okay to take breaks. So internships can be very, very overwhelming, because you see, you have such a short amount of time to do a lot of things. You have such a very limited amount of time to ensure that you deliver at work, to ensure that you learn all these new things. For example, you have to learn a whole new language, you have to learn a lot of things about the company that you're working at, and all these things can get so overwhelming very fast. So I would like to say that it is very okay to take that break when you're tired. It is very okay to acknowledge that I am tired or you are tired, and take a break and get some rest. At the end of the day, you want to ensure that you are well enough physically and mentally, because once you are well enough both physically and mentally, you're going to find yourself working more productively, and you're going to find yourself being more successful during your internship. So take that time to just relax, just take a break whenever you need it. And I want to stress on this again, it is very, very okay to feel overwhelmed and to feel that it is a lot. And whenever you feel so, feel free to talk to your manager, feel free to talk to your mentor, and just let them know what you're going through, because again, it is these people that are there to champion for you, and so it is very, very okay to reach out to them and to just let them know. And so yeah, I hope that these 4 tips can actually help set you up for that internship, and that you actually get to practice them, and hopefully that you get to have an enriching internship experience. All the best, and see you on the next video. Ciao.